Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to place text behind objects in Figma. This is a fantastic technique for creating eye-catching designs where your text appears to weave naturally behind a subject, giving your work a professional and dynamic look. Let's dive right in and make this happen. First things first, you'll need to open your Figma application. Once you're in, go ahead and open the file or project where you want to apply this effect. Make sure it's a design that could benefit from this layered text technique, whether it's a poster, social media graphic, or any creative project you're working on. Now, here's where we start building the effect. Click on the image you want to work with. Once it's selected, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the image downwards. This will create a duplicate of your image, which is essential for the layering effect we're going to create. You should now have two identical copies of the same image in your workspace. Next, locate the action icon at the bottom of your screen and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This will open up a range of tools that extend Figma's functionality. Look for a plugin called Remove BG. If you don't already have Remove BG installed, you'll need to install it first before proceeding. Once you've got it ready, click Run to activate the plugin. The plugin will now process your duplicated image and remove its background automatically. This might take a moment depending on the complexity of the image, so just wait while it works its magic. Once complete, you'll have one image with its original background and one with a transparent background. Now it's time to add your text. Click on the text icon at the bottom of the screen, then click on the image that still has its background. This is where you'll type out whatever text you want to appear behind your subject. Don't worry too much about perfection right now. We'll adjust everything in a moment. Once your text is in place, adjust the font size and position to suit your design. Play around with it until you find a placement that looks natural and visually appealing. The goal is to make it look like the text is naturally integrated into the scene. Next, drag the second image, the one with no background, and position it over the text. This transparent version of your image is what will create that layered effect, making it appear as though the text is sitting behind the subject. Now, take a look at the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. This is crucial. Make sure that the image with no background is positioned above the text layer. The stacking order matters here because it determines what appears in front and what stays behind. To keep everything organized and easy to work with, select all the elements you've just arranged, the background image, the text, and the transparent image, and press Ctrl-G on your keyboard. This will group everything together into a single unit, making it much easier to move and adjust as one cohesive design. And that's it. You've successfully placed text behind an object in Figma, creating a professional layered effect that makes your design stand out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.